In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Instagram feed on Shopify. We'll walk through this together from inside your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll have your Instagram post showing directly on your store. This is a great way to make your site feel more alive, show social proof, and keep your content fresh without constantly updating your product pages. Start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and apps. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. Click on that search bar to open it up. In the search results panel, you'll see different categories you can jump into. Go ahead and click on apps. This will take you to the section where you can manage apps that are already installed and discover new ones that can extend your store's functionality. From here, look for the option called All Recommended Apps and click it. This is essentially a curated list from Shopify, but it also includes a way to get to the full App Store. On that page, you'll see a button or link to the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store to open it in a new view. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type GSC Instagram Feed InstaFeed. This is the app we're going to use to display your Instagram feed on your storefront. After typing the name, press enter. And when the search results load, find the listing for GSC Instagram Feed InstaFeed and click on it to open the app's details page. On the app page, click the install button. Shopify may show you a permissions screen explaining what the app can access in your store. Review that, and then click install again to confirm and complete the installation. Once the app is installed, you'll be redirected back into your Shopify admin with the app open. You might see a short welcome message or onboarding pop-up. Click. Got it to close that and move on. Inside the app's main screen, look for the option that says Connect Instagram and click it. You'll be guided through logging into your Instagram account and granting access. Make sure you are connecting an Instagram business account because personal accounts won't work with this type of integration. After your Instagram business account is connected, the app will allow you to create a widget. This widget is what actually pulls your Instagram posts into your Shopify theme. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to choose your layout and style. Once you save and enable the widget, your Instagram feed will start displaying on your store. The app handles the syncing for you, so new posts automatically